Hello, hello, hello. Oh, let me bring my mic. Okay, my microphone is here. Sorry about that. And lights on. Okay, so in a very short video, I'm gonna show you how I can add a nice background to my Talking Photos AI video. Okay, I created today a special um, talking photo video to present the podcast AI. You see, I created this beautiful, nice lady, and I added this script. You see,
Success is not something you chase, it's something you attract. And today, I have a powerful tool for you. Imagine reaching thousands of people daily, sharing your message without spending hours recording content.
amazing, right? I guess uh, you like the lady I created too, and I'm gonna change the background here so that it's more concise to my subject, that it's podcast AI. Okay, that's a special tool that anyone can create easily podcasts using AI, and it has this kind of natural uh, avatars and personas, and that they represent you, and they convey your message. Let me show you very fast how I'm gonna change and replace the background to Talking Photo AI. I'm gonna click replace background. I'm gonna select my video. It's this one. I'm gonna click select. Okay, and here the only thing I'm gonna have to do is to choose. Okay, I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna just upload my own uh, screenshot. I think I have one over here. Let me show you over here. Okay, that's a nice one. I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna have a special preview here. It's not a big file. Let me show you what is gonna happen. You see, this picture is gonna come back here, and I'm gonna have this lady talking as she was talking normally, but with this background. So it's gonna be more concise to my subject. I'm gonna click Reader Video, and I'm gonna uh, name this video Podcast AI Bugu. Okay, I'm gonna click Save, and now I'm gonna have to wait about uh, it depends on the duration, but usually it's about 7 to 8 minutes to complete this rendering. Um, so the next step, it's gonna be to add the subtitles, and I'm gonna show you the whole procedure to see how easy and fast it is to create this amazing and really engaging videos. Stay tuned, and let me show you. We're gonna just pause just a little for a moment the video, and I'm gonna continue in a while. Okay, great. It just took just a couple of minutes. You can see here that it says a minute ago that it was ready.
Success is not something you chase, it's something you attract. And today, I have a powerful tool for you.
So you see, it looks really amazing now because it's more concise to our subject, to AI podcast. We have this great background there. So the next step it's gonna be just to add the subtitles. So I'm gonna just click add subtitles here. I'm gonna select the video. Okay, we want the video with the background this time. I'm gonna click select. I'm gonna select what kind of subtitles I want. You know, it's always to have it animated. It's really nice. I can have it glow if you want. I can even have it stroke like that, you see. I can have it to the higher font size to look like that, and I can bring it to the center. You see over here, it's gonna look great. Okay, now I'm gonna just click edit subscription here, and the app is gonna ask me, are you sure you want to create a transcription now? This can take up to several minutes. I'm gonna click yes, I'm sure, and I'm gonna have the subscription created, and uh, the next thing I'm gonna do is just to add the subtitles to the video. What is gonna happen now? It's the AI is creating the transcription, and I have the ability, if you want to add something to to correct the transcription, or if I want to add something to this transcription. We don't want to add anything. We won't do anything more or less. I'm gonna just get the transcription and just add it to my video, okay, as a subtitle. uh, I'm gonna just wait some more seconds to show you what is gonna happen now. As you can see, that's really an amazing tool. You create any kind of character. You can even reuse the characters that you used before, so that that's gonna save you more time, and you can just select one of those characters that you created. You can even upload one of your photos and adapt your photos to the face of the persona you created, okay. It's a really amazing platform and application. It's a web app, in fact. And the most important, you see, I have already created the transcription, and I can click just save. And the most important, I wanted to say that it's that one time fee, okay. You don't pay any monthly fees. You just buy this platform and you use it forever, okay. That's really great. And trust me, I show you so many platforms. I show you so many tools with AI. It's really important to have this accessibility. Okay, you can render as many videos you want, and you can use it for any kind of niche and any kind of project you would like. So let's click add subtitles here, and this time I'm gonna create another video that it's gonna be with subs, okay. I'm gonna click save, and that's all. Now it's gonna do the rendering. Trust me, it's not gonna take for long, and we're gonna finish the video showcasing the final result, okay. So let's give it just a moment. Okay, we got it ready. You see, this one, it took about 5 to 6 minutes to finish with the subtitles. Let's see the result right away and to see how.
Success is not something you chase, it's something you attract. And today, I have a powerful tool for you. Imagine reaching thousands of people daily, sharing your message without spending hours recording content. What if you could create professional podcasts in minutes with no experience and no special equipment? This is the breakthrough we've been waiting.
I guess you agree that it's amazing. Okay, I'm not gonna leave the whole video, so that I want you to check it out on YouTube. It's really amazing. I showed you already Create Studio. I have created videos with the AI video builder. I have showed you the human pal. At the moment I have added a lot of those links, valuable links that you can see many of those tools that they're really valuable, and they save you a lot of time. Okay, You can create any kind of videos like that, and you can work a little bit more if you want. You can spend some more time and create even professional videos. It depends on what you want to do and what kind of what is your project, and to which niche you refer. I don't want to keep this video any longer. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. Um, if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe to my channel. Uh, I would love to show you more exciting and really, really useful AI tools. Thank you very much. Wish you the best. Bye bye.